Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can click on Snapchat. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.